Hello YouTube, I'm here to make some rice water, so we getting right on into it. So the brand that I'm using is Lundberg's Wild Blend rice. I'm not using the right rice like everybody else, and I will, I got a whole video telling y'all why I'm using this type of rice instead. As y'all can tell, those are the ingredients right there. Okay, focus. It's not focusing in. Let me zoom in. It still don't want to focus, so I'm just going to tell y'all the ingredients. So it's brown rice, sweet brown rice, round rice, whole grain rice, and black chapunky rice. And once again, I will tell y'all the reason why I'm using this one instead later on. But pretty much, we're going to use a cup-to-cup ratio. So open this right on up. Pour it on in like so. Oh, well, first let me zoom out. That probably will be better. So we're just going to use 1 whole cup. Then we're going to pour it into this cup right here. Next thing we're going to do is get a cup of water. Oh, well, y'all don't need to see my refrigerator. Well, actually, we can just use a regular. Y'all thought I was about to use tap water, didn't you? Okay, now that we got that open, just gonna pour it in like such. So we got our cup of water. And then, of course, you stir it up with a fork. And you just do this, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You just, stirring all the nutrients in, and then the water's going to turn a murky brown color. And then you let it sit for basically 12 to 24 hours. I let mine sit a full day, so we'll come back to this around this time tomorrow. So it's 1 o'clock. It's going on 1 o'clock right now, so we're going to let this sit all the way until tomorrow. And then since this is so potent, we're going to use this rice yet again for a second batch. So as y'all can tell, it's turning a nice brown color. Ultimately, it's going to end up like this, and it's going to be enough to fill up this whole container. This is the last bit that I got right here, and I've already used it on my whole body today. I've been using this for a week now. This lasted me a whole week, and this is using this on my whole body every day, and using this in my hair. Now, I've only used it 3 times in my hair, and I'm about to use the rest of this, well, half of this for my hair today, and then finish it up tomorrow for my face. And then I'm actually about to wax my face, and I got a video on that. I'm letting the wax warm up right now, so y'all gonna see a wax video probably first before this is done. Because like I said, we're going to now put the aluminum foil over this. We're going to allow this to ferment. I'm going to put this on the top of my fridge, and we'll come back to this in the next day or so. So that's basically it. That's how you make rice water. And I'm going to tell y'all once again when I come back why I'm using this brand instead, because I think I'm going to split this video up into 2 parts. I'm just going to do this showing y'all how I made mine, and then I go into the explanation of rice water, alternatives, etc. Oh, thank God this is the washing machine and this is water and not Kool-Aid. But anyways, that's it, y'all. Leave y'all tips, comments, suggestions down below. Like this video if it was helpful to you. And I'll see y'all soon with more videos. Mwah. Let me go ahead and save this right here, because I'm going to put this on my face right after I'm finished waxing.